You are a beginner and you never made a sale on Fiverr, then you must watch this video because I'm going to show you one of the easiest Fiverr gigs. But here is the thing with this gig. Everybody thinks it is so difficult, it is so complicated, and that is why many people don't even try. But in reality, it is really simple, it is really easy, and some people know that, and that is why they are making thousands and thousands of dollars. And I'm going to show you how you too can do this and make money on Fiverr without skills. So when you go on Fiverr and when you search YouTube thumbnails, you will see that there is 11,800 services here on Fiverr, and some of these people are making thousands and thousands of dollars. This guy here, for example, 1,000 plus reviews, and not everybody who buy your gig will leave a review, which means this guy actually made more than 1,000 sales, and he's charging $20 for that, which means he made more than $20,000. And when you look at these thumbnails, you are probably thinking there is no way I can make thumbnails like this. You have to be a Photoshop expert or a graphic designer to make thumbnails like this, right? Well, actually you don't. When you go here and when you look, for example, this guy here, I will design amazing clickbait YouTube thumbnail in just 2 hours for $10. In reality, he needs only 10 minutes to do that, and I'm going to show you how you too can do that. First thing you need to do, you need to go on a website called teamforest.net. Then you need to click here on graphics, and then in the search bar you simply need to type thumbnail. And then click search, and here you will get YouTube thumbnail templates that you can use, and that is exactly the same thing that these guys from Fiverr are doing. They come here, they buy these templates, and they use them to sell them to their clients. And here you can see 50 YouTube thumbnail templates for just $6. 50 thumbnails for $6. 50, 50, 50, 50, 25. YouTube thumbnails, 50, 26, $6, $5, $5, and so on and so on. It is really cheap. And if you don't have these $5 or $6, you can simply go on Pico Workers, and literally in day or two you can earn those $5 or $6, and then just come back here on Team Forest and buy one of these bundles of YouTube thumbnail templates, and then you can use them. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to edit these templates according to the needs of your client. Now, I already bought one of those bundles of YouTube thumbnail templates, and first thing you need to do, you need to open Photoshop because those are PSD files. And then you need to click here on File, and then click here on Open, and you need to find folder with the templates. And I can use any of these templates here. So let's say, for example, I wish to use this one here. Just double click here, and then keep layers. Okay. Update, and this is the thumbnail that I can use, and I can edit literally anything here that I want. For example, this 50% here, I just need to double click here, and I can say, for example, 20%, and it is now 20% off. And I can also highlight this and then click here, and let's say I wish to make it green, so I will just make it like this. Okay, click OK, and that's it. It is now green. This 20% is now green. But here is the thing. If I wish to edit, for example, this gym training here, so let me just, and when I double click here, I get this message. So let me just click here on cancel. When I go here on text layer, here you can see there are many warning signs. So what that means? That means that I actually don't have this font style installed on my computer. Don't worry, it is not a big deal. So what you need to do, you need to open that folder that contains, that you actually got from the person who sold you these templates. And this is the folder, and here you need to click on text document file, and then open this txt document. Click here, and let me just enlarge this on full screen, and here you can see free Google fonts. These are all the fonts that were used in these 50 templates. And to simply download one of these, all I have to do is just Control C to copy. Let me just close this, and let me go on Google, and I can paste it here. Click enter, and I will directly go on this font style. As you can see here, Anton, and this is the font style that was used. All I have to do now, click here on download and download this on my computer. And after that, just install this font style on your computer. It is really easy. It is literally just drag and drop. It is that easy. And then you can go back on Photoshop and you can edit this text here in this same text style. And you can edit literally everything. So here you can see this silhouette here. That means you can add a photo of your client, for example. So let me just minimize this. And I can simply drag and drop this image here. Give it a second, okay? And I can enlarge this image or make it smaller like this. And I can also, like I said, enlarge it like this. And I can also move this image. Just drag it like this, okay? Just like this, okay? And here you can see this silhouette is still in the background. So what I need to do, I need to come here and let me just minimize this text style. And when I go here on images, here is the silhouette. When I click here on this eye, silhouette disappeared. So I removed that silhouette and only my image left here. Now, if clients send you a photo and you need to remove a background, in my previous Fiverr video, I showed you how you can remove background of your images in just 1 minute, totally free with 3 clicks of a button. I will leave you a link in description to that video so you can watch it. And also you can edit everything here. You can edit these shapes here. So let me just minimize this, click here on shapes, and here are the shapes. And when I click here on this eye, I removed this shape here. And when I click here again, it showed again. And you can change the color, you can change the shape of this. You can also change shape of this, color of everything. You can literally customize everything here to the needs of your client. And you just need to play with this just to see all the things that you can do. Literally, it will take you just 1 day to learn how to edit these templates. And after you learn how to edit these templates, just go back on Fiverr and offer this as a service on Fiverr and you will start making sales. And this is really important tip for you, so pay close attention. Because there is almost 12,000 services, you need to niche down. You need to offer your service, for example, in gaming niche. So what you can do is you can go on Fiverr and offer to design 3 gaming thumbnails in just 24 hours for just $10. Because competition is not that big in that sub niche. And you will start getting sales because you have a best offer. Because you are offering 3 thumbnails for just $10 in 24 hours. And in reality, you need just 1 hour to design those 3 thumbnails, even less. And that is why you will start making sales and you will start making money on Fiverr without skills. As you saw, it is really, really easy. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.